In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use tags in Activecampaign. If you've been using Activecampaign for a while, you'll know that it's a powerful tool for email marketing and marketing automation. One of its most useful features is the ability to use tags to organize and manage your contacts. Tags can help you categorize contacts based on specific characteristics, behavior, or engagement levels, allowing for more personalized and effective communication. So let's dive into the process of using tags in Activecampaign. First, let's get started by visiting the Activecampaign website. If you're not already familiar, Activecampaign is a comprehensive platform that offers a range of marketing automation tools that can be tailored for businesses of any size. Now head over to the Activecampaign homepage where you'll typically find a navigation option to log in. Locate the login button on the upper right corner of the page and click on it. Once you are on the login page, you'll see fields where you need to input your account credentials. If you have multiple accounts, make sure you type in the correct account name associated with the business or organization you intend to work on today. After entering your account name, proceed by clicking the login button. This action will securely redirect you to your Activecampaign dashboard. Now that you're logged in, direct your attention to the top navigation bar and find the Contacts tab. By clicking on Contacts, you'll be taken to a page listing all the contact profiles stored in your account. This section is where you manage your lists, add new contacts, and importantly, apply or remove tags. Next, browse through your contacts and select the one you want to work with. Clicking on a contact will open a detailed view of their profile, displaying all attributes, recent activities, and other significant information. Here, you'll notice an area dedicated to tags. The tag section is essential as it helps you understand what categorization or actions this contact is associated with. In this section, you have the flexibility to add, remove, or edit tags. To add a tag, simply start typing a keyword into the tags field, and if it already exists, it will appear for selection. If it's a new tag, you can create it by typing it out fully and hitting enter. Remember, tags are a crucial way to segment your audience, allowing you to tailor messages and campaigns specifically to different groups. Organizing your contacts with tags enhances your ability to implement targeted marketing strategies, crucial for increasing engagement and conversion rates. Once you've made the desired changes to your contacts' tags, your updates are automatically saved, meaning you don't need to worry about hitting a save button. Now you know how to use tags in Activecampaign effectively. Take some time to explore the tagging options and see how they can make a difference in your marketing strategy. By using tags strategically, you can truly personalize your communication with your audience, leading to better results in your marketing efforts. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more insightful tutorials.